Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the project and wiring permissions so the app can access the camera. Once done, add Camera X libraries to build. Gradle and sync. This gives lifecycle-aware APIs. You should implement runtime permission checks and request flows immediately, because without granted camera permission, the preview won't start. Make sure to handle denied states with a rationale dialog. These steps let you proceed to binding camera use cases reliably and avoid common permission race conditions. Now you bind the camera to your activity lifecycle so resources are managed automatically. You initialize process camera provider, then create a preview and attach its surface provider to a preview view in layout. Next, add image capture for photos and image analysis for frames. Choose camera selector back or front. Use a single-threaded executor service for analysis to avoid UI jank. Once configured, unbind all and rebind with new settings when switching cameras or resolutions to apply changes safely and consistently. Finally, implement the capture flow. Call image capture. Take picture with a callback, write to media store or a file, and update the UI on success. Make sure you handle rotation by reading and applying EXIF orientation so photos display correctly. Once done, release executors and unbind camera in on destroy. If things go wrong, check runtime permissions, confirm process camera provider binding succeeded, and inspect Camera X debug logs. Those logs often reveal configuration mismatches or missing surface providers that prevent preview or capture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.